Hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Hey,
hey.
yeah.
Recon intel secure. Solid work. Vendor mark waypoint.
Hey.
Chung says poop.
Aren't you?
Chung says diarrhea. No one has any response to these.
Derek, where are you? You want to grab a UAV, Derek?
Sure, I'm just gonna.
Actually, no. Who else has money? Dave, you want to drop me?
Supply box. Secure that.
Yeah. Yeah, come. Drop down. Actually, I'm dropping off here. Where are you? Bumps away! I made it rain one stack. Chung
You
says
have a car up?
hemorrhoids. It's the only response.
This again. I hate this one. Do you know how to get up there?
No.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Yeah, I'm not sure there is a way, Tom.
Then you got a side.
Chung said,
I'm not sure.
I know how to get up.
Oh shit,
Was that you?
What happened?
that was me.
Oh.
Ah.
Chung, how do you get up?
G-bomb. We call it that the G-bomb.
There's satchel up here.
I think you got a side glide from this building.
Indicating waypoints.
Or you got a side glide over there.
Scott, you want to come back for this satchel?
Moving up.
I have a satchel.
Okay. Well,
G, then
Come on.
shield up. Shield up.
Contract updated. New
You have to
objective
land on that
identified.
telephone pole right there.
Chung, we don't need you.
Derek, can you do that?
Armor.
Yeah.
Go get it. UAV entering the AO.
Team's already there.
Yeah, we
This-
can go through Promenade East safely.
Tagging fire this way.
Okay. I'll mark
Got a ride
this
on.
team's at port.
Knowledge waypoint course. Tagging
I don't know if we're gonna make this.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply. Be
Yeah.
advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
I don't have anything on heartbeat. Oh, guy running across. Team running across right now.
Go spot.
There's a full team just ran. No, at least two, I mean. Yeah, I see him again. Right here. Full team.
Contact.
Two, three.
Contact. Contact.
We cracked one.
I'm going under a bridge. They ran.
Moving up.
Vendor marked.
Heading
Heading this
towards
way.
that bar.
Vendor marked.
That one's
Heading
running
this way.
straight through downtown. Will you just run through straight downtown right now?
I don't know.
Run over
just
here.
leave the
Heading
line.
this way.
Run the green mark.
Alright, let's do that.
There's that one guy on my radar over here. He went into this building.
Guys to our left
Heading
over
this
here.
way.
G. Okay. Over here. There's a guy above.
The guy flying in
The
behind
guy
you.
above green.
Going over here.
Is on my green mark.
Yeah, I see. I don't see him, but I see where you mark.
A guy just flew into purple.
They're 30 meters on top. Watch out, Chief. Retarded. He's definitely on top of this building. He's right above me.
Indicating waypoint.
Right above me.
Yep. Yeah.
Literally right above me. Uh-oh. GG's. Are you opening boxes? Hold on.
Right here.
Target right here.
Yeah,
One sec.
Oh, shit.
The safe zone.
Found some body armor.
Move forward while we can. There wasn't a lot of people over there. We might catch the other team
Heading this
over there
way.
on green, converging there. So stay slightly right, look left.
Scott,
Going over here.
use that ladder and come up get this satchel.
They just shot, and I think
On the
they're
move.
at the
Setting
stadium.
vehicle as rally point.
Alright
Got-
guys,
Found a
we
sniper
already
rifle.
moved ahead.
Do you mind, Tom? You see him?
Yeah.
There's right.
That one.
Cut
one.
out.
They're on the car.
Cracked him a couple times. Man, this gun shoots so straight, it's weird.
Mark
So
him.
straight that it's weird. I
don't know
can't,
where I'm
I
looking.
only can mark the car
Setting
because they're
vehicle
so
as rally
far.
point.
They're running me in
Right.
like the doorway.
Closing in. Indicating waypoint. Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah, right there. Cracked him. Okay.
I don't see him from where I
I
am.
lost
He's in
him.
the doorway, yeah. He's
Oh.
in the doorway.
He tagged me.
Still running right in the doorway, so yeah.
Knowledge waypoint towards. Setting vehicle as rally point.
I got one down over here.
Relocating.
The guy in the
There's
air.
one
right
in
there.
there.
Hostile.
I
got
got
the
him.
guy in the air. Oh.
I sniped him out of there. Sorry, Tom.
He's right over here.
Mark
Got
out.
him.
There's a guy right above you there. I got no bullets. Oh shit, they're jumping down. I got no ammo.
56 meters.
Can you drop me like some ammo maybe? A clip?
Whatever do you need?
Ah, I'm getting hit. Getting hit.
From where? From where?
Shit.
Down here. He's there.
Got that one guy?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Get him, Tom. I'll cover.
Going good?
Shit. Behind.
Heading this way.
I got him.
Okay.
Nice
then
G.
let him green mark. There's a guy.
Make sure you make them pay.
Oh, we gotta go. Smoke's here. They're gonna cross him. Look at them crossing right there.
I have no ammo. Can't do anything.
Made it.
Enemy down.
I wish I could help. There's another team converging on us.
Uh-huh. He just got out of the car.
Thermite out.
Idiot. There you go, Tom. Ammo.
Behind as well. Behind.
Schmamos.
The truck.
Got some tech.
Locating.
So much for getting in the truck.
I'm distracted. Go.
Some white.
Come in action. Request fly.
Where are they? Where are they?
There's on the line. On the line. Three teams
Yeah,
over
got
there.
him. Fuck him.
Closing in.
Go right in the gas.
Back.
Got one.
Tom.
You like this? Go.
Guy right over here.
Finish off
He's down. Thank you.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
On the move.
Another guy running across.
Car coming towards us. King.
Back. Head.
Oh, that's a bull. King right up top.
Tom, you gonna grab their ammo?
I got no ammo, so this is the best I can do.
No, I know. I was like, we just killed a bunch of guys though.
Yeah, there's so many dead bodies everywhere, dude.
Yeah, I distracted them. They worked out.
It did.
On the move.
Satchel. I also have a ammo box over here.
Found some body
Losing ground.
Some shells over here.
I might
Oh,
have
team,
it.
team,
I
team,
think I
team,
have
team.
it.
Hostile. Hostile.
I don't have any ammo. Can you drop me some AR?
Hey, look down there, look down there.
I know.
Dave, they're cracked. One's like almost dead.
I know.
The one. Yeah, yeah, thing.
Hold on, Dave. I
Here.
got a shield.
I got one
Target down.
Nice. There's one more
Where are they?
down here.
in the gutter.
Already dropped down.
Got him.
Some-
I'm going.
Team wipe. Team wipe, Tom. I got him.
Oh, he just hit me with a car, dude. Shoot. Alright. Okay, pick me up there.
Back to work.
This is insane.
There's a guy up here over by you.
Tom. Ammo. What do you need?
He's fighting the gas. The guy up
Over
there.
here.
I need some AR as well.
I got 4 spectators because I'm running people. Oh, it's so
That's freaking
funny.
hilarious, dude.
I eliminated so many guys for you guys.
10 kills, Derek?
Thanks,
That's
Tom.
it? That's all you can do?
That's it.
I told you guys.
Team
Wow,
wipe?
where'd you find that guy? I need ammo.
Right
ammo.
now.
ASAP.
I don't
Where's his
have
body?
it. I literally just got enough.
Well, we need to get out of here
Thanks
first.
it is.
Here, Derek. Here.
Thank you. That's plenty.
Body armor.
I see somebody in the house right next to us, right there, guys.
Yeah.
On the move. Friendly UAV
I downed him. I downed one in there. There's 3 of them just peeking out that window.
UAV in AO.
There's another one in here.
That one on top there?
Yeah, I
That
downed
one on
one
top
too.
there. Let's
Okay.
go in.
Hold on, I'm fire.
This UAV is bingo fuel.
I broke the shield
RTB for
upstairs.
resupply.
G. They're right downstairs.
Okay, one jumped out. Two jumped out.
RTB for resupply.
This direction.
Tom's side. Tom got both of them.
Guy there?
Yeah! He's done. Nice, G. Nice.
24 enemies still out there. Kill them all.
There's one more upstairs, I think.
No, team wipe.
Oh, he ran out the window.
Oh no! Oh shit.
I got him.
Shit.
Woo!
Nice,
Got a team wipe.
nice.
Sorry.
Suck it up. You'll
Didn't know.
live.
Give me your money. I got it. There's no revises there.
There's only that one, but it's far.
On my way.
Dude, there's so much. I don't think I've even got the second loadout.
Derek's yellowing it. You're a madman, Derek.
Alright.
You're a madman.
Yeah, I see one on.
Right here.
Full team, guys.
What the hell? Nice, Derek.
Wow,
nice.
Derek. Wow.
Look at all the damage for all of us. Derek has 5,000 damage right now.
Wow.
On the move.
Derek, another one.
Ready?
Enemy
Shit.
precision airstrike.
Let's
Shit.
Take cover.
Shit.
Gas moving in.
Oh,
Dude,
come on.
for so long, Tom didn't have any ammo.
I know. We are
I
gonna
got
get
this-
running out.
I kept the thing, I had no ammo.
Oh, then Derek ran out.
Yeah.
At one point, I was out.
All my ammo was in dead people.
Wow. That's intense, dude. That's intense.
That's facts, though.
Derek, I call that a 0 to 100 move right there.
Derek went off.
He did.